I'm starting with the man in the mirror. Oh, no. Probably can't do Michael Jackson. Gonna get sued. His lawyer lives same place I do. That's kind of fun. I only know that because I got a project file with all the original recordings of Thriller. So the raw Michael Jackson vocals are on my computer. Can't share it though, because I signed some papers saying I wouldn't share it. But maybe. Alright. Here we go. Oh yeah. Fucking easy. Almost like I know what I'm doing. I don't know if you can actually see what I'm doing. Probably not. Oh yeah. So that's one. Oh fuck. Okay, we're good. And the bushing. I'll give that to my girlfriend, a little present. Sway bar. Loose. And we will see if I can get this out without taking the exhaust down. Everyone says you do, and then they make a video saying I'm gonna try not to, and then they end up taking the exhaust out. So we'll see. That's terrible. I don't know what I was thinking. Let's do that. No, it doesn't like that. Maybe we'll just take the bushings out, drop it that way instead of unbolting everything, then slide it out yonder ways. Or just push it up and over. Holy shit. Oh my goodness. Everyone's stupid but me. We got it. Oh, fucking shit. That's alright though. It's under the car anyway. No one's gonna see it. Protein. That is good enough. Let's try and get sway bars in. Hopefully it's as easy as getting them out. Is that in frame? I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's a little thicker. I don't think we can do it that way. Okay. Let us drop the exhaust and then we will try again. Okay, that may not come off. Oh fuck, that didn't sound good. Alright, here we go. No? Still not enough. Well, maybe I'm dumb. Oh yeah, there we go. I was just a little dumb. There we go. And there's the exhaust. There's 2-1 drive shaft. There we go. Easy stuff. Ah, whatever. Oh shit, this might be hard. Ah, there we go. Gotta get the dirt off. Probably should have cleaned these bolts first. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're cooking. Stick that in there. I either lost the Stillen locking nut or whatever the fuck they're calling it. So I went and got another one from Ace, and it may be too big, so this might not work. Oh Jesus, I don't know how to grab this. There we go. All right, that is locked in, son. Okay, that is as tight as that will go. Maybe we'll just spin the whole thing. There we go. That looks almost right. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And it's a bearing spacer, not a collar. And they're like, meow. Then stick that in. And stick that in. And then locking nut? Maybe? And it'll be the same thing for the other side. We'll film it. I don't know if we'll use it. We'll fucking see. Oh, careful. How did I do this on the other side? That works, I guess. That collar. Jam it in the hole, and it doesn't fit. Maybe Give this a twist. Is that better? Yeah. Feels like a lot of tension though. The instructions are terrible, it just says put them on. So that's tight. That is barely flush. Let's try the other side and see. No, that looks good. Okay. Sick. I think that's okay then. We'll see. I still have adjustable end links coming, so we'll use that to try and get this, but I don't see how that makes any sense to them. How are you supposed to use that with their hardware? If anybody knows, let me know.